Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIMI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not quite sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so go there and I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice movement today. Good way to close the week. I mean, when you stop and think about it, that just on Thursday, the price was at those lows, and now all of a sudden the price has been able to work its way back up to that area of the chart. Sure, it pulled back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it ultimately closed today, definitely a good solid move, but that does lead about to the obvious question, or I don't know about obvious question, but the logical question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction? Is this just some sort of dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $5. Why is $5 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about the $5 mark. If the price were to come down here, and I'm not saying it will, but if the price were to go down to 5 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side, let's say the price came down here, but in this situation, behaved like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And once again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $5. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the next potential battlegrounds are going into next week, that main level is going to be right up there at about $6.20. If you go through the history of the past several days, you can see general area right there, price struggled, right there was directly rejected from it. And then today, yeah, once again, temporarily got up above it, but that didn't last very long. So $6.20, no doubt about it, that key level of resistance going forward. All in all, though, very nice movement today. Nice way to start end the week. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.